GenAI for DevOps engineers, 30 days, real labs, real workflows. Launch price, $39, limited seats. This program is built to fix exactly that. Not theory, not buzzwords, not build chat. We focus on practical GenAI skills that directly map to real DevOps workflows. This is not a video-only course. You'll get guided, hands-on labs, real environments, time-bound, controlled access, exercises that mirror real DevOps plus GenAI usage. 30 Days of AI Agents is a hands-on program designed to help learners understand, build, and evaluate modern AI agents using popular open-source frameworks. Over 4 weeks, participants will build AI agents using tools such as N8N, Crew AI, Llama Index, LangGraph, and small agents. Duration 30 days. Format live instructor-led sessions. Hands-on, yes, guided labs and exercises.
Let's look at question 8 in the context of generative AI models. What does the temperature parameter control, and how does it impact the text generation process? And then we have 4 options. Option A, temperature controls the length of the generated text by setting a maximum limit, ensuring the output does not exceed a certain number of tokens. Option B, temperature controls the randomness of predictions, where a higher temperature value results in more random and diverse text, and a lower temperature value leads to more deterministic and focused output. Option C, temperature adjusts the learning rate during model training, impacting how quickly the model converges to an optimal solution. Option D, temperature defines the probability threshold for word selection, ensuring that only words above a certain probability are chosen during text generation. To solve this question, the first step is to understand the purpose of each option and then eliminate one that clearly doesn't fit. Understand the role of temperature. Recognize that temperature is about controlling the randomness and creativity of the model's output during text generation. Discard options that confuse temperature with concepts like output length control option A, learning rate adjustment option C, or probability thresholds option D, as these do not accurately describe what temperature does. Now match the term with its function. Consider how temperature adjusts the spread of probabilities. High temperatures are more random and creative, while low temperatures are more deterministic. Let's take a look at each option one by one. Option A, temperature controls the length of the generated text. This is incorrect because temperature does not control the length of the output. The length of the text is typically managed by other parameters like the maximum token limit. Option B, temperature controls the randomness of predictions is correct because in the context of generative AI, the temperature parameter influences the randomness of the model's predictions. A higher temperature makes the model's predictions more varied and creative by flattening the probability distribution, allowing for a broader range of possible outputs. Conversely, a lower temperature sharpens the probability distribution, making the model more likely to choose high probability words, resulting in more predictable and focused text. Option C, temperature adjusts the learning rate during model training. This is incorrect because temperature is not related to the training process or the learning rate. Temperature affects the model's output during text generation, not during training. Option D, temperature defines the probability threshold for word selection. This statement is incorrect because temperature does not set a fixed threshold for word selection. Instead, it modulates the probability distribution, influencing the randomness of word choice, rather than setting a cutoff point. This reasoning leads to option B. Temperature controls the randomness of predictions, where a higher temperature value results in more random and diverse text, and a lower temperature value leads to more deterministic and focused output as the correct answer.